Good morning, Dad. Father. Good morning.
A day in the life. At the headquarters of Inglês no Rádio, Karaoke Connection. Sunday morning, Alexia is vacuuming. Occasionally, she bursts into song, quoting the Maroon 5 song, Sunday morning, rain is falling. I hate that song because I hate Adam Levine. I don't really hate him, but he represents a lot of things that I do not like. Most notably, the voice. Back to Alexia. Alexia, dá oizinho.
Dá o quê?
Dá oizinho para as pessoas.
Olá.
What are you doing on this Sunday morning?
Cleaning the house.
And what are your plans?
Cleaning the house.
Your plans are to clean the house?
Yeah. And watch USA win.
Yeah, so the United States women's national team just woke up, is playing France. That's correct, right?
No, amor. France is already defeated.
I'm sorry, not France.
The
They're playing Holland.
Netherlands.
Holland, yes, or the Netherlands. Whew, good thing we don't have to play the French.
Is this a podcast?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for today's game or match.
Yep. You know what I'm most excited about?
Uh-huh.
To see my girls Megan Rapinoe and Alex Morgan just tear it up.
Let's do it, Megan.
Megan's going to score, and then she's going to put her arms up in the most dramatic fashion. Everyone's going to go crazy, including the President of the United States, who will probably tweet about it.
Yeah.
And if they lose, everyone's going to be really, really sad.
And the president will tweet about it as well.
Oh, yeah, he's going to tweet either way.
Yeah.
Okay, you can clean again.
Do you wanna say hello to my dad?
The power cord is in.
Ah, okay. Good morning, Dad. Father. Good morning.
Marco Antonio, he broke 2 dedinhos. Tadinho.
How do I say he has 2 broken fingers?
Yeah, broken.
Why?
Because to break in the present, broke in the past, and the past participle is broken.
Okay. But he just broke 2 fingers. That's correct as well.
Yeah, I would say he broke 2 fingers.
Okay.
Or he fractured 2 fingers.
Okay. Which is the same thing the doctor explained to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy Sunday.